Hello, teacher.
Hello,
Hello, teacher.
good day.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so may I know your name?
My name is Sue.
Your name is Sue. Wow, you have a good name. So my name is Teacher Marga, and I'll be your teacher for today. It's so nice to meet you, Sue.
To meet you, teacher.
Okay, so before I begin, I'd like to ask, how are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Why are you
Yeah.
happy?
Mm,
Why are you happy, Sue?
I play with my friend.
Wow, you played with your friends. Okay. So that's great to hear. I hope you're excited because today we are going to have lots of fun while learning English together. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so first, let's have a few simple classroom rules. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So rule number one, please listen carefully when the teacher is speaking. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Rule number two, raise your hand if you'd like to answer a question. Am I understood?
What?
Raise your hand if you'd like to answer a question. Am I understood? Do you understand?
You understood?
Do you understand the rule number two?
Well,
You need to raise your hand if you want to answer a question. Is it okay?
um, okay.
Okay. And then the last rule is don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes help us learn and become better English speakers. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, how many rules do we have again?
What?
How many rules do we have? We have three. Three rules, okay.
I don't know.
You don't know? It's okay. Now let's warm up with a few easy questions. So I have some questions for you. Is it okay to ask some questions?
What?
Is it okay to ask some questions?
Mm, yes.
Okay. So Sue, I want to know your age. How old are you?
At 7 years old.
You're 7 years old. Wow. And I also want to know your favorite color. What's your favorite color, Sue?
It's orange.
Orange. Why do you like orange?
Mm, it's a practice.
Wow. And my last question is, do you like English?
Yes.
Wow, excellent. So thank you for sharing your answers. You're doing a great job already. We haven't started our lesson. So now, let's get our So now, your pronunciation sounds great. Do you know that?
A what?
Your pronunciations are great.
That's a, I don't know it.
So we will have a short activity. Is it okay?
A what?
Short activity.
Activity?
Yes, just short to energize you.
That's okay.
I will just say a word and then you will repeat after me. Is it okay?
Singing.
Teacher will say a word and then Sue will repeat. Do you understand?
No.
Okay, again. So I will say a word, teacher will say a word, and then Sue will repeat what teacher says. Do you understand?
No.
Okay, for example, teacher will say reading, and then you will repeat
Read.
that. Oh, yes, very good. You will repeat that word. So do you understand now?
What?
Okay, I will give,
Understand?
yes, I will give,
No.
you don't understand?
Yes.
Okay, example. Teacher will say dancing, and then Sue will say dancing too. I will say dancing. Okay, you will say dancing.
I don't know.
You don't know? It's okay. So let's just move forward.
Next.
Okay, let's just move forward to our discussion today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So today we are going to learn how to ask and answer questions using do you like? And then we'll also learn the days of the week through fun activities and games. Are you excited, Sue?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just share.
Hello.
Can you see it, Sue? Okay, so I will share this here.
It is mom.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here movers unit 2. Okay?
Unit 2.
Yes, unit 2. That's
What
our
is Unit 2?
what, Sue? Okay.
What is the lesson Unit 2?
Unit 2, it is the lesson. It is the topic that we are gonna discuss. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we have here, what number? What number? Can you see it?
Cousin number 1.
Yes, very good. It's number 1. And then can you read this? The word
Story.
story. This one is story. Very good. So today we are going to learn how to ask and answer questions using do you like? And we will also read a short story and we will play a fun game. So by the end of today's lesson, we'll be able to talk about the things that we like or the things that we don't like. Do you understand, Sue? Sue, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Story.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna proceed to the next slide. So Sue, we have 3 people here, right? How many people?
3.
3. So this girl right here, oh no. So this girl, what can you see in the picture? This girl.
Where?
What can you see in the picture, Sue? This girl, what can you see?
Studying.
Wow, very good. You're so smart. And now let's proceed to the next girl, the middle girl, this one. What do you think she's doing?
Biking.
Baking. Wow. Do you like baking, Sue?
No.
No? Why?
Isn't isn't it's, it isn't my favorite hobby.
Oh, okay. And the last girl, what do you think she's doing?
She is writing.
She is writing. Wow. Okay. So we have three girls here, right? So the first one is studying. The second one is baking. And the last girl is writing. Can you repeat after me? Studying.
Studying, baking, writing, and
Wow.
drinking.
Wow. Very good. Okay, let's move to our next slide. Okay. Can you read it?
Do you like reading?
Okay, so let's talk about things that we like. Okay, so do you like reading? It's a question, right?
Yes. I
Okay,
like reading. Yes, I like reading a lot.
wow. So this question means, do you enjoy reading books? Do you enjoy reading books, Sue?
Reading books.
Yes. Do you enjoy?
Yes.
Wow, very good. So now we have
I reading
here,
storybooks.
oh, you read storybooks. Wow, that's great. Okay. So, if the answer is yes, we say, yes, I like reading. Can you repeat after me? Yes, I like
Yes, I
reading.
like reading.
Okay, just what you said earlier. And then, if we say no,
Now I totally like reading.
wow, okay, very good. So now, let's talk about another person because it's you, right? So now, in the next slide, we're gonna talk about another person. So, does he like reading? Can you read it?
Yes. Yes. He yes, he likes reading.
Okay. So when we talk about he or she, he is a boy, right?
Yes.
And she?
And a girl.
Okay, very good. So if we ask someone, then the answer for that is yes, he or she likes reading. Can you repeat after me?
Yes. He and she likes reading. Yes,
Okay.
yes, 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 she likes reading.
Wow, very good. But if the answer is no, what are we gonna say?
No, she doesn't like reading.
Okay, very good, Sue. So now let's proceed to the next. Oh no. Okay, so Sue, what can you see in the picture?
Do you like reading?
So what do you think the girl is doing?
She is reading.
Very good. So can you say reading?
Reading.
Excellent. So how about you? Do you like reading again?
Reading
What's your favorite book?
is a biggest book.
Wow, very good. So when do you usually read books? Morning, afternoon, or night?
I'm reading at I'm reading at um I'm reading at morning
Morning
uh or evening.
or evening. Wow, very good. So now we have here the next slide. What can you see in the picture, Sue?
Do you like dancing?
What do you think they are doing?
They are dancing.
They are dancing. So now let's read again the sentence.
Do you like dancing?
Do you like dancing? Very good. How about you, Sue? Do you like dancing?
Oh, no, I don't.
Why?
It isn't my favorite hobby.
Okay, it's okay. We can learn dancing. It's easy. Okay, now we're gonna proceed to the next. Okay, so we have here a girl. What do you think she's doing?
She is baking.
She is baking. Wow.
She is have a long hair.
Wow, and what's the color of her
Uh,
hair?
it's black, but
How,
it's a mom.
yes, how about her clothes? What's the color of her clothes?
It's uh, it's red and white.
Well, very good, Sue. You are so smart. How about you, Sue? Do you like baking?
No. Mm,
No, but you like eating cookies and cake.
yes.
Wow, we're the same. I also love eating cookies. So now let's.
Do you like eating cookie?
Yes, I love eating cookie.
Oh, but it's not good for health.
Yes, it's not good for health if you eat it every day.
And
But
you eating every day?
cookies is not good for health if you eat it every day. But if you just eat it like once a week, then it's okay.
But my favorite fruit is apple.
Wow, your favorite fruit is apple. That's healthy. That's a good,
It's good for healthy.
yes, very good. So now let's proceed with the picture. What can you see in the picture? What is he
Like
doing?
he is gardening.
He is gardening. So gardening means taking care of plants. Do you have plants, Sue?
Uh, Lambs?
Plants.
No.
No, you don't have plants.
Yes.
Okay, so can you read the sentence again?
Do you like gardening?
Okay, very good, Sue. Wonderful. How about this one? What do you think she's doing?
She is running.
She is running. So can we read the sentence, please?
Do you like running?
Okay, so do you like running, Sue?
Um, no, I don't. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Oh, you like running. Why do you like running?
I don't know.
You don't know? So what time do you usually run when you play with your friends?
Yeah,
So you run like this.
I run very fastest.
Whoa, you're the fastest kid. What do you think? What is the color of her clothes?
what? It's red and blue.
Wow, very good. How about her shoes?
It's blue.
Okay, very good. Sue is so smart. Okay, so look in the picture. He is watching a,
Not a.
he's watching a movie or film.
He is watching a film.
Yes, very good. So can you read the sentence, please?
Do you like watching films?
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you, how about you, Sue? Do you like watching films?
Um, 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 uh, uh,
Do you like
yes,
watching
I
films?
do.
Wow. So what is your favorite film or your favorite movie?
Watch films with my mom.
With your mom. So do you know your favorite movie? Is it okay if I'll ask you what's your favorite
Oh,
movie?
what is a movie?
You don't know what is a movie?
Uh, yes.
So it's like a video that we watch in the TV.
The video?
It's a video that we watch in the TV. That's a movie or film. You understand?
Um, no.
No? Why? You still don't know what is a movie?
Um, no.
No. But you know what is film?
I don't know.
You don't know. Oh. So movie is like a video that we watch in the TV or we can watch it on our phones, our laptop, or even our tablets. So that's a movie.
The movie.
Yes,
Watch in the tablet.
yes, we can watch movies
I
in the
have a
tablet.
I have a tablet. I
You
have
have,
an iPad.
well, you have an iPad, and what do you usually watch in your iPad?
I'm watching a Lego.
Lego, yeah,
And
that can
I'm watching about the Lego.
about the Legos. So do you like Legos? That's your favorite toy?
Yes.
Wow, that's so good to know. So now let's proceed to our next slide. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Or give me a thumbs up if it's okay. Like
That's
this.
okay.
Follow teacher, like this.
Mm,
Wow, that's balloons. Okay. So here, what can you see in the picture, Sue?
he is cycling.
He is cycling. So that is a bicycle, right? Okay. So riding a bicycle is called cycling. Can you read the sentence again, Sue, please?
Uh, he is cycling.
Can you read the sentence? Do you like
Do
cycling?
you like cycling?
Okay. How about you, Sue? Do you have a bicycle?
No, I don't.
No, you don't, but you want to have one.
I have zero bicycle.
But you want to try to ride a bicycle.
To try?
Yes. Do you want to try
Try
to
again?
ride? Do you want to try to ride a bicycle?
I don't have a bicycle.
You don't have. It's okay. But do you want to try riding a bicycle?
R- riding a bicycle
Yes,
is like writing.
riding a bicycle. Do you want to try?
Teacher, I have idea.
What's your
R-
idea?
riding is just like writing.
Writing? No, it's not the same. But do you like writing? Sue, do you like writing?
Writing,
Yes, writing, like this. Do you like writing?
riding a bike.
No, writing, like this.
I like playing.
Okay, that's good to hear. So now let's proceed to our next picture. So what can you see in the picture? What's that? What do you think is in the picture?
Do you like visiting museums?
Okay, so this place is called a museum.
Is a museum?
Yes, museum. So a museum, it is a place where we can learn about history, about arts and science.
Science?
Yeah, science. We can learn a
What is
lot.
the science?
Science is all about parts of the body, like that. That's science. We can learn that inside the museum. Two, hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Two, have you been into a museum?
Visiting museums? I
Yeah.
don't have it. It's a far from 100 million kilometers from away.
Wow, that's too far.
It's for you.
Yes, that's too far. It's okay. We can visit the museum maybe soon. Okay. So now we're gonna proceed to the next picture. What can you see in the picture? What do you think are
Do you
those?
like eating fruit and vegetable?
Okay, so these are fruits and vegetables. So I will, what do you think is this? This one. What's this?
Teacher,
This one. The one that I'm,
teacher,
yes.
I want to go to toilet.
You want to go to the toilet? Okay, take your time and make sure to come back, okay?
Teacher.
Hi, Sue. Welcome back.
Hello,
Okay,
teacher.
so we are gonna continue our discussion, okay?
What?
We are gonna continue our discussion. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So as you can see here, what do you think is this? The one that has a circle.
It's a strawberry.
It's a strawberry. Do you like eating strawberry?
Um, no, I don't.
No, you don't like strawberry.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. We have a lot of options. Okay, how about this one? What do you think is this?
Where?
This one.
It's these are oranges.
Yes, oranges. We have two oranges. How about oranges? Do you like oranges?
Oranges?
Yes, do you like orange?
Yes.
Yes, very good because it is good for our health. And the last fruit is, what do you think is this? The green one.
The green one is a grape.
It's a grapes. Do you like grapes, Sue?
Yes.
Yes, you like grapes. Which one do you like? The violet grapes or the green grapes?
Um, I like purple grapes.
We love the purple grapes. We are the same. I also love purple grapes. It's my favorite fruit.
Oh my God.
What's your favorite fruit, Sue? May I know your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Apple. Wow, that
It
is
just like it's just like apple calm.
that's also good for our health. Okay, now let's proceed to
Teacher,
the yes.
check it out.
What's
You
that?
you know it? It's a lion.
It's a lion. Wow, is that your toy?
It's an anthem.
Okay, now, how about this one? What do you think he's doing?
He is singing.
He is singing. Can you read the sentence, please?
Do you like singing?
Okay, very good. How about you, Sue? Do you like singing? Do you know how to sing?
What?
Do you know how to sing?
Um, I know it.
You don't know?
I know it.
Ah, you know how to sing. Wow. You're so talented. Okay, now we're gonna proceed to the next picture, okay? The last picture, okay?
The last picture
Yes, because it's almost time.
is it's almost time.
Yeah, so we're gonna proceed to the last picture. Is it okay?
I like play a
You like to
game.
play a game? What
Yes.
game do you want to play?
I want to uh I, I want to play
What
I
do you
want to
want to
play
play?
chess.
You
Do
want to
you
play
know
chess?
to play chess?
No, I don't know how to play chess. I find it really hard.
Teacher, what
Yes.
is your favorite game?
My parents' name?
My favorite game.
I'm a favorite game. Um, I just want to play outside with my friends.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game?
Yes.
Mm, I play Rubik's Cube. Are you familiar with Rubik's Cube?
Yes, I have it.
You have it? Can I see?
Yes. I cannot see it.
Oh no, it's okay. Maybe next time you can see it. So now let's proceed to our last picture. So what can you see in the picture, Sue?
Do you like drinking tea?
Do you like drinking tea? So it's a tea, right? But children are
Yeah.
not allowed to drink tea because it's not good for their health. So I
It's
want,
not good for health.
yes, it's not good for your health if you're still a child and then you drink tea. Do you like tea?
No.
No, why? Why you don't like tea?
It's very hot.
It's very hot. Okay, Sue, I think it's already time. Do you want more or no?
I like one more.
You like one more? Okay, I'll give you another picture. Okay, this one. So what do you think is the girl doing? Where do you think she's going to?
She is hiking.
Hiking. So she's going to mountains. She have a very big bag, right? What do you think is the color of her bag? Can you check it for me, please?
It's orange.
It's orange. How about her clothes?
Her clothes. Um,
Yes,
it's um, it's green and yellow.
green and yellow. Okay, very good. So that ends our discussion. Are you good?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Sue, and I'll meet you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.